Think about a king of your classroom, alpha boy, or a queen, alpha girl, and think about what is their favorite activity to do or to talk about. And just yell the activity out.
Dress up.
Dress up, okay? Boy or girl?
Princess.
Okay, boy or girl? You can't assume anymore.
Girl.
Okay, you can't. You literally can't assume anymore. She loves dress up. Just as a princess or like anything?
Princess, pretty much.
Okay.
That's what she's going to be when she grows up.
That's fine. Okay, so she's on the Kardashian track. Got it. Okay. So, you could totally be probably. Is she cute?
She's cute.
Okay, is she cute? And when she's gonna grow up, she's gonna be cute, or is it one of the cute things that once they stretch out their face, they're gonna be like, no, you're gonna have to work hard. Okay, you know what I'm talking about, right? Ugly kids got a hard life ahead of them. Good-looking kid, it's so annoying when someone's attractive, they can literally get whatever they want, because that's how our brains work.